Let's have second example. Solve x squared minus 4x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so this is the given quadratic inequality. Transform natin into equation. Papalitan natin ang inequality symbol ng equal sign. We have x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is now in standard form. Pwede na natin siyang isolve. So let's use factoring method. Ang factors ng x squared ay x. Ang factors ng 3 na ang sum ay negative 4 ay negative 3 and negative 1. So, check natin. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. Negative 3 plus negative 1 is negative 4. Okay, dugtong natin dito. X minus 3 and x minus 1 equals 0. After that, equate natin sa 0 ang mga factors. X minus 3 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. Then, solve for x. So, we have x equals 3. So, si negative 3, transpose naging positive 3. And then, x minus 1 equals 0. Solve for x, x equals positive 1. So, si negative 1, transpose natin is equal to positive 1. So, si positive 3 and positive 1 are the critical points. Okay, so, after that, i-draw natin yung critical point sa number line. Okay, for example, this is our number line. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, plot natin, positive 3. So, dito si positive 3. Ang inequality symbol natin is greater than or equal to. Tandaan, kapag greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, ang gagamitin nating circle ay shaded or solid circle. Okay, ang gagamitin natin sa 3 is solid circle and then locate 1. Okay, so solid circle din ang ating gagamitin. After nating i-plot, hatiin natin sa tatlong regions or interval. Okay, meron tayong region A, B, and C. Kukuha tayo or pipili tayo ng test point sa bawat region. Okay, so sa region A, dito sa left side ng positive 1. Okay, piliin natin ang 0. So, x equals 0. Then, substitute sa inequality. X squared minus 4x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Ang x natin is 0. So, papalitan natin ng 0. Square minus 4 times 0 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. 0 square is 0. Negative 4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Greater than or equal to 0. Is 3 greater than or equal to 0? Yes, that is true. Next, dito sa region B, pili tayo. Okay, so piliin natin si positive 2. Okay, substitute x squared minus 4x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, ang x natin is 2. So, we have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. 2 square is 4. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Plus 3 is negative 1. Greater than or equal to 0. Is negative 1 greater than or equal to 0? Okay, so that is false. Okay, so for region C, dito sa right side ng 3. So, pili tayo ng kahit anong number na nasa right side niya. Okay, so piliin natin si positive 4. And then, substitute to the original inequality, x squared minus 4x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Ang x natin is 4. We have 4 squared minus 4 times 4 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. 4 squared ay 16. Negative 4 times 4, negative 16. Plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. 16 minus 16 is 0 plus 3. So, we have 3 greater than or equal to 0. Is 3 greater than or equal to 0? Yes. So, that is true. So, base sa ating sinolve, ang true ay nasa region A at saka sa region B. So, igagraph natin, idodraw natin sa left ng positive 1 at saka sa right ng positive 3. So, ang solution set natin ay matatagpuan sa region A at saka sa region C. Paano natin isusulat? Okay, so mayroong dalawang paraan ng pagsulat ng solution set ng quadratic inequality by interval notation at saka by set notation. Okay, so unahin natin ang interval notation. So, unahin natin sa left side. Okay, so meron tayong negative infinity. So, we have negative infinity to positive 1. Okay. So, since solid circle, gagamit tayo ng bracket para sa 1 and then infinity naman ay parenthesis. And then, union of, okay, from left, we have 3 up to positive infinity. So, we have positive infinity. Solid circle, so we use bracket, and then positive infinity, we use parenthesis. Paano naman isusulat sa set notation? Okay, so meron tayong dalawang interval. Okay, so set of x such that x is, so papunta sa left, less than or equal to 1, or x is, dito naman sa pangalawa, greater than or equal to positive 3. Okay, so that is the solution of our quadratic inequality.